In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily fix the mono or the one channel recording issue that comes with the Focusrite Scarlett Solo, and I'm using the Focusrite Scarlett Solo 2nd Gen, and the issue looks like this. When you go to do a recording, and I'm inside Audacity, and I'll click on the record button. When I start recording, only one channel records, that is the left channel. Now if I stop it, you'll see that the right channel does not have any audio recorded. This is because the right channel is usually reserved for the instrument that you're going to be playing. But if you want to fix this so that you can record both the left and the right channels using Focusrite, you can either do this inside Audacity, but for this video I'm just going to do a quick one and show you how you can fix that from the sound and device panel. So just from the control panel, go to the control panel and go to sound. We need the sound interface. Just double click on this, or you can just use the one at the bottom right, but we want to use the recording. For the recording, I'll select the Focusrite USB and click on Properties, and then go to Advanced. By default, the selected sample rate and all that, the default format is the 2-channel 24-bit, 48,000 Hertz studio quality. So if you want to record both channels, that is the left and the right, all you need to do is just change this to 1-channel 24-bit 4800 Hertz studio quality, and click on that and then apply. The device may be used if you want to continue. That application may stop working. Do you want to continue? Yes, and just say you want to continue with this. Once you click on yes, click on OK, and then click on OK again. Then what we're going to do now, we're going to reopen Audacity so that we can see whether both channels are recording or we're only getting a recording into one of the channels. We should at least now get 2 channels recording, and I'll click on record. And as you can see on screen is that we now have both channels recording instead of the single channel, that is the left channel that was recording earlier for this particular tutorial. So it's basically that easy to fix the recording issue that comes with the Focusrite Scarlett Solo 2nd Gen, and I think maybe the 1st Gen also has this issue, by just changing that particular setting from the sound and device panel. Thank you for watching.